Hi everyone, and welcome back to Bonsai. Ryan here. In today's video I'm going to be pruning my Chinese hackberry. I just want to be pruning on the pads and clean the moss off the bark. We'll get into the video and have a little bit play. I'll bring you in and give you a look at the tree before we get into the video. This is the Chinese hackberry. As you can see, we've got moss all over the trunk and that down here, which one's cleaning up for the winter. And it just wants a little prune to warm the pads up a bit. So I'll be starting on this bottom pad and working up the tree. Like so, just the same as any normal prune, anything straight up, go long. Anything growing down. I've got a few trees with autumn colours, not many, but a few. One of my redwoods has gone proper red in the bottom corner, but the ones which I have up here on the top of the garden are still green as anything. I haven't even started the turn yet. There's the first pad pretty much done. We'll come to this next one at the back. The second one done. I'm not going to cut much off this one because I need to try and do it a bit fuller and more domed. Yeah, I haven't got much on this one. What I'm going to do now is just sort the apex out. Cut it back a tiny bit. Okay, that's the pruning done on the tray. I just wanted a rough pruning to put a bit shape back into the pads. What I'm going to do now is get the moss off the bark. I'm just going to use some water and a little wire brush. You can use white vinegar, but I didn't use it. White brush is just as good with water. Just don't go too far and take all the bark off. The reason for taking the moss off the bark is because it's winter. Well, it's going to be winter soon, it's autumn now. And all the water we'll get, it will just stop wet and it will rot the trunk. So it's best to get it off. Well, there we have it, folks. A little proud of a Chinese hackberry and the cleaning of the moss. Yeah, I'll bring you in. Give you a look at it before I end the video. This one needs to grow a bit, and we can just put a bit of wire on to pull it back down. This one needs developing more. This one's not bad. But the likes of these little ones, next year, we'll just prune it round and we get some more growth on it. Well, that's it, folks, for this video. Pruning the Chinese hackberry and cleaning the moss off the bark, ready for the winter so it doesn't hold the water. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you haven't, please subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks.